Coming home with me.
Hi, it's Kathleen, and today we are on the prettiest walk to the prettiest thrift store in all the land in Monterey, California. Let's go. You guys, this is crazy. If we still lived here, I'd buy the whole thing. But for now, I just have these two tulips that apparently the guy who lived here actually made. Let's see what the clothing is like. Apparently the shoes are nice, but they might be tiny. Oh my gosh. Just some bollies, no big deal. Let's see what I can find in here. Scarves. Look at these. This feels like silk. Little horse friends. Chickens. They kind of look like shrimp. Let's see what other shoes we got. These are very Gucci.
Coming home with me.
Little Lacoste dress. This looks like it used to be a dress, but it got like chopped off the bottom, but... So apparently the woman who lived here is from the Czech Republic. There's so much international clothing here, like suits that was made in Switzerland, there's a sweater made in Australia. Okay, so they've got this two-piece set. It's covered in apples. It's got a really cute little pleated skirt. I just have a feeling I wouldn't really wear it, but we can appreciate it. I definitely want to give this Lacoste dress a try. It's just such a funny shape. It's like really wide and short, so it's a big question mark on how it's gonna fit, but I'm willing to roll the dice. And then I love this like suede half button up huge shirts. I don't even know what this is all about. I like it though. And we gotta get the Gucci tie, obviously. This little night dress is giving big Little Nemo and Dreamland vibes. Now this is special. Okay, so I found an antique mall. Oops. And since we're here, we might as well look, right? Right. I'm gonna open one of these at random. Let's see what's inside. This one is not marked. Ooh. Oh, God. Bugs. Wow, they weren't lying. More bugs. Look at this duck. Isn't it neat? There are also some chickens, and they do have beaks. Wow, look at this print. It's very Matisse. Peter something. Look what I found. Donna. The reason I wanted to come to this booth is because of these lanterns. They're not vintage, but they're so pretty. Also, this entire mall, gorgeous. I think I'm in something called Cannery Row. I've actually never really been to Monterey before, so this is all new to me. This box is calling my name. Ooh. Gosh, drama. This whole thing. I'll just go ahead and grab that. Thank you. All right, let's get out of here. I'll see you back in Ohio. I'm back. I'm home safe from California, and before we get started with our little haul, I just gotta say, happy spooky season. It has arrived. So, this didn't end up being very much of a thrift trip and more of a sick estate sale trip, which I'm not mad about, and I doubt you are either. I looked through a bunch of the house, and there's honestly more I could have looked through, like boxes of paper ephemera and fabric. There are some really cool bed sheets that I found that had just awesome 70s patterns on them, but my luggage is already pretty full. I don't think I had extra room for a bed sheet unless I wanted to wear it on the plane like a ghost costume. And it wasn't October yet when I flew, so that would have been inappropriate. So without further ado, let me show you what I found. Let's start with the clothing. Beginning with a banger, this adorable bright green little Lacoste tennis dress. It honestly smells a little bit like sweaty grandma, so we're gonna need to wash her. What I really love about this dress is a lot of times these polo dresses are really like skin tight and bodycon, but I loved how it still had that mini silhouette, but it's a lot looser. Felt very much like a 60s or 70s A-line mini dress vibe. It fits great. I love it. Super cool layering piece. And again, love the bright green color. Super fun. Okay, the next item of clothing is kind of for me, but also kind of for Gus. It's this big safari style half button up tunic. This shirt is an absolute unit. It's almost got like a, ooh, windy. It's almost got like a bat wing cut. And the brand is Blasport. It's Blasport. And apparently it is ultra suede. Very fancy. It is stained up quite a bit, so it does need a little bit of attention. But I think this would be so cute leaning into almost like a hippie aesthetic, maybe with some belts, with some bell bottoms, a headscarf. Oh, speaking of headscarves, I got two. There are actually a lot to choose from, and I was really holding myself back because I knew that this estate sale was cash only, and for some reason, I never have cash on me, but I did in fact have $20 in my pocket, much like Mr. Macklemore himself. So I was trying to pop some tags, and I was looking for a come up. And I found it. Anyways, here's the first one. It is a quintessential Midwestern Wisconsin motif. Shout out to Beep World, my favorite Wisconsinian. But I really mostly just love the color palette here. Very peas and carrots. And then, is this not just such a super cute autumn color palette? Color palette? Wear it cowboy style. Whoa. Mary-Kate and Ashley style. For some reason, I used to be able to rock this hairstyle when I was in like elementary school, and now I just feel like it makes me look like a babushka. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's not the vibe I'm going for right at this very moment. And then, oh my gosh, all of the accessories and home goods that are left are all bangers in their own right. I'm gonna save the best for last and show you this little ornamental hair guy. It's probably not how I will wear it, but it is how I am wearing it. These two wooden tulips that fell apart in the luggage, but seems like an easy enough fix. Actually, let's put them in a vase and I'll show you. Ooh, so cute! I probably need a taller vase, but you know. Put some like dried greens in here. You got yourself a bouquet, baby. I seriously cannot believe that I snagged this hand mirror. It is so beautiful. Look at this organic shape. It has such a great balance. On guard. Very mid-century, but this feels super luxurious. Say hi to yourself. And might I say, you look beautiful today. And so do I. I cannot believe I got this for the price that I got it at. We'll talk about that at the end, although I already kind of spoiled it. And then, my evidence that the thrift gods do in fact love me and smile upon me. Just a casual Gucci belt. I mean tie. I'll see if I can learn how to tie a tie real quick in the try-on clips. Good luck, future me. I initially was like, oh, I'll get this for Gus. And then I was like, wait, but why not for me, too? Oh my gosh. I have an AirPod in again. Why didn't you tell me? Wait, do I have both in? Oh my gosh. What is wrong with me? Okay, back to the estate sale. So like I mentioned, it was cash only, and I had $20. So I walk up to the woman running the estate sale and I said, hey, how much for all this stuff? And she starts taking things off the pile. She takes off the tie first and she's like, well, you know this is Gucci, so $10. Which in normal circumstances would be like, that's amazing. But I knew I had 7 other things and 50% of my budget was already blown. And I said, look, lady, I didn't say that. I said, well, I only have $20. So can I get all this stuff for $20? And she goes, okay. It never hurts to ask, you know? So I got 2, designer items, I guess you would call them, the Gucci tie and the Lacoste dress, and this gorgeous hand mirror that I don't even want to know how much it would cost, for $20. Can you believe it? Next week, we're going to have an extremely cursed video. We will be going thrifting. It's going to be a great time, looking for some Halloween-y type stuff. But I will also be opening a package that is emanating a very dark aura. And there's also going to be a giveaway. So make sure you come back for that. If you'd like to subscribe, then please feel free. I upload most Sundays. So if you like thrifting and you like art and you like general good-natured chaos, I think you'll like it here. You can also follow me on Instagram if you'd like at kathleenillustrated. And I'll see you next week. Okay? I love you. Bye!